Hello everyone and welcome to the Power BI course on creating interactive reports. Here I'm going to go through with the basic structure of every unit as we go through the course. Every unit is going to start with the title and what the unit includes. Next we're going to include the learning objectives for the unit, and then the learning goals for the unit, and then every unit's going to include two different kinds of content. First will be a video training content for the topic of the unit, and then there'll be a website step-by-step training content with screenshots that's from Microsoft and its official training. Then finally, with each unit, we're going to list a Zoom session and what the agenda will be, and what you can expect in that meeting, where we'll be interactive and face-to-face and talking with each other and sharing our screens to make sure that we're understanding the content for the unit and actually being able to practice what we're learning. And there's a link to join each Zoom meeting at the bottom on each unit page. And then finally, at the bottom of each page, there's a place where you can click to email me, the instructor, with any questions or concerns you may have. Thank you, and I look forward to working with you throughout this course.